If your rear deck lid does not open, there is a good chance your latch or actuator is broken. There is an emergency pull in the right taillight housing, but that will only work if it's actually there and the cable isn't broken. The latch and actuator are attached to the rear wing, and the wing needs to be removed to service them. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance on removing your wing. Place the wing side down on a soft surface on your bench. The latch, blue arrow, and the actuator, red arrow, are located on the underside. The emergency pull cable attaches to the actuator cable, blue arrow, and then the actuator assembly, red arrow. From there, it sits in an opening in the taillight right side housing. The issues with this are that if the main cable is broken or disconnected, the emergency cable is useless as it pulls the main cable. Begin replacing the actuator by releasing the clip, red arrow, on the electrical connector and separating them. Use a 10mm socket and remove the 2 screws holding the actuator to the wing assembly indicated by the red arrows. If you are just replacing the emergency pull cable, release it from the mount and then turn it sideways and slide it out from the actuator cable mount, red arrow. You can now remove the actuator from the wing. Installation is the reverse of removal. To replace the latch, remove the wiring connection from the wing and then separate the connection, red arrow. Use a 10mm socket and remove the 2 bolts holding the latch to the wing. There are rubber isolators in the latch. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.